Namaste. Are you struggling with cough or throat irritation? Today, I'll share powerful Ayurvedic home remedies that are natural, safe, and effective. Remedy 1. Pepper milk with ghee. Take 1 cup of fresh milk in a steel vessel. Add 5 to 10 black pepper seeds and a small piece of turmeric root or 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Boil it on low flame for a few minutes until the flavors infuse. Add 3/4 teaspoon of pure ghee to the boiling milk. Stir gently and let it simmer for a few more seconds. Turn off the flame. Strain the milk if needed. Add small pieces of jaggery or sugar candy, optional for taste. Serve warm. Remedy number 2. Herbal decoction, Tulsi ginger. Take 2 cups of clean water in a clay pot or steel vessel. Begin boiling it on medium flame. Once the water boils, add a handful of fresh tulsi, holy basil leaves, 1/2 inch, crushed ginger piece, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamoms, lightly crushed, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Let it boil for 10 minutes till it reduces to half. Strain the decoction into a ceramic or mud cup. Drink it warm once or twice a day. Remedy 3. Jaggery and spice kada. Take 2 cups of water in a steel or mud pot. Add 5 to 10 black pepper seeds, 1 inch ginger, crushed, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons jaggery. Mix well. Boil the mixture on low flame until the water reduces to half, allowing all spices to blend in and jaggery to dissolve. Strain the kada and drink it warm, preferably twice a day for best results. Remedy 4. Salt water gargle. Take 1 glass, around 200 milliliters, of warm water, not too hot. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder into the glass of warm water. Stir thoroughly till dissolved. Use the warm turmeric salt water for gargling for about 30 seconds at a time. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily. Remedy 5. Chest massage for babies. Take 2 tablespoons coconut oil in a small pan. Add 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves and 1/2 teaspoon ajwain seeds. Heat till the garlic turns golden brown. Strain the warm oil into a small steel or clay bowl. Let it cool slightly till lukewarm. Gently massage the baby's chest and back with the warm oil, especially before bedtime. Remedy number 6. Ginger radish warm drink. Grate 1 tablespoon fresh ginger and 1 tablespoon white radish. Squeeze juice from the grated mix using a muslin cloth into a glass bowl. Mix the extracted juice into 1/2 cup warm water and stir. Remedy number 7. Turmeric pepper milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 crushed black peppercorn to 1 cup milk in a saucepan. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, letting it boil slightly. Pour into a ceramic mug and drink warm. Remedy number 8. Onion pineapple juice. Chop 1/4 cup red onion and 1/4 cup pineapple into small pieces. Blend and extract 2 tablespoons each of onion and pineapple juice. Mix juices and serve chilled in a transparent glass. These natural remedies are easy to make and work wonders for seasonal coughs. But if symptoms persist, always consult a doctor.